Hey guys, and welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'm gonna go to several stores. I will check out some clothes at Maje. I will also check out some jewelry, and the last stop is going to be Cleef and Arpels. I want to try earrings that are currently on my wish list. I hope that you will like this video and will find it interesting. By the way, guys, if you have any questions, please let me know in the comment section down below. Do subscribe to my channel, give this video a thumbs up, I would really appreciate it. Please follow me on my Instagram account, which is the same as my YouTube account, Black and Gold Style. Please also consider checking out my other playlists. I posted quite a few videos about Cartier, Cleef and Arpels, Bvlgari, Rolex, luxury tips and mistakes, Dior, jewelry, weekly vlogs, style and fashion, Chanel bags, luxury shopping vlogs, beauty products, and travel videos. My first stop is Maje, and it has been quite some time since I visited the store. I really like this skirt, it's so pretty, I like the color, and there is also a matching jacket that I'll show to you as well. Actually, lately I haven't been shopping that much. My previous visit was to Sandro, where I purchased some jeans. I also ordered some bodysuits from revolve.com, but other than that, I did not really add many items to my wardrobe. Especially that now I start going out a bit more than previously. This jacket is so cute. I actually like having matching suits. I feel like I would be able to wear it quite often. This color combination is so easy to match with other colors. Back in the day, I used to buy loads of colorful clothes. I used to wear it all the time and I felt so comfortable in it. However, I shifted to more earthy colors. I usually wear loads of black or loads of white. I also like gray, and sometimes I just spice up the outfit with a bright accessory, for example with a red bag or a bright pink bag. It feels a lot more comfortable this way. I'm not sure why I changed. Do you prefer to wear earthy colors or the bright colors? Please let me know in the comment section down below. I'm very curious to see what you're going to say. I also feel like if I get this suit, I'll be able to easily match the jacket with the jeans or with a skirt. And likewise with shorts, I can always match it with a different top. I don't really have to wear a jacket with it. I also wanted to try on another skirt, but in a black color. This one is so pretty. It's quite flattering, but I have to say it's a bit more loose than the previous one. I probably would have to alter it. And I like the fact that I'm able to do that in Maje for free, which is great and it's so convenient. I don't have to stress out about going to a seamstress and taking some time to alter it. I really love shopping at Maje and Sandro. Their clothes is so beautiful and it's so classic. I never get tired of all the items that I bought a few years ago. And I also like the quality. The only thing about Maje and Sandro, but especially about Maje, it can go on sale, which is usually what happens whenever I buy the items. Just a couple of months later, I can see them on sale, and the sale is usually quite good, 30%, sometimes even 50%. So it's quite a lot, especially if you paid for it the full price, like what I usually do. So you see here, I'm trying on the jacket with the skirt and the black top. I like that matching suit, I will definitely get it. I'm not sure about the black skirt, I will have to think about it. I'm not sure if I would be able to wear it quite often. I have quite a few shorts in the black color, so I will think about those, but the suit is a must-have. I'm currently at the local jewelry store, and actually I'm going to go to Cleef and Arpels afterwards, but I just wanted to try on a tennis bracelet. Surprisingly, the stores don't have a good selection. I did not expect that. This is the only one I could find. And there are also some in smaller sizes, but I'm very particular about the size of the diamonds. It has to be at least the same size as a screw. And actually I would like it to be a bit more round. Potentially I could consider customizing it. Something to think about. Alright, now I'm at Van Cleef and Arpels in my absolute favorite store. I'm just gonna try on one pair of earrings, but while I'm waiting for this, I just wanted to try on a 20 motif necklace as well. I still love it in onyx, it's absolutely beautiful. I have this necklace in a 10 motif and I have recently posted a review video of the 10 motif necklaces, and I also compared it with the 20. What I could do is to add another necklace in the 20 motif and just connect two of them. I spoke about it in my vlog actually, and I will link it down for you guys in the description box below in case you want to check it out. Also, if I add another 10 motif necklace, I can always wear it on my wrist as a bracelet, wrap it around my wrist 2 times. And that's the beauty of Van Cleef and Arpels jewelry. The items can easily connect together and you can create so many looks. And also, of course, it helps to bring down the cost per wear, which is great. Here is the collection that I'm eyeing at the moment. It's so different. Actually, when I saw it for the first time, I wasn't sure about it, but now I'm so obsessed with it. And I want to try on some earrings from this range. I love all the jewelry at Van Cleef and Arpels, but I feel like this range is especially gorgeous. This collection is so unique and so special. These items are like collector's pieces. Here is the pair that I'm currently considering. These ones are in a size mini. I know, yes, mini. They don't really look that small, but that's the name of the size. I'm very curious to check them out in a small size. I would like to compare them side by side. Actually, it's my random visit to Van Cleef and Arpels. My assay is not here, and I think I will text her next time and ask to come in to try them on in person if I can compare. It's so hard to find this design. Typically, it's available for a special order. I just happened to see them in the store and I just had to show them to you. I'm such a huge fan of all the jewelry that looks like flowers. It's so feminine and so beautiful. I absolutely love my free wall collection, but this design is so different and it's not like I'm buying the same thing, but I feel like this would be another beautiful version. And I don't feel like I would need to even make the set, because these earrings are a statement piece. With them, you don't even need to add anything else because they will make every single look perfect. They are rather large in size, even though they are mini. I would really love to see them in a small size. I believe the other size are actually clips, and these are the earrings. But I'm not 100% sure. I have to see them in person. I'm definitely adding these ones to my wish list because they are so perfect. But I also have another pair of earrings that I previously featured in one of my vlogs. These are also from Free Wall collection in a small size, and they look a lot smaller. I absolutely love the pavé version. They are stunning. However, I already have these earrings in a large and small sizes. I previously posted a review video of these earrings and I will link it down in the description box below in case you want to check it out. Which collection do you guys prefer? This one or the pavé free wall? Please let me know in the comment section down below. I'm very curious to see what you're going to say. Anyways, I'm on my way home now, but just passing by Cartier and checking out what is available. It's quite interesting to see new items that I haven't checked out before. I'm trying to resist entering Cartier because I will definitely want to add something else to my wish list, because I love their jewelry and the fact that they always come up with new designs. but I'm trying to stay focused on my wish list. I want to add a few key items and just be done. By the way, I'm planning to post a wish list video, so if you guys are not subscribed to my channel, please consider to do so. I'll probably post it within the next couple of weeks. Anyways guys, this is it. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope that you liked this video and found it interesting. Please let me know if you have any questions in the comment section down below. Do subscribe to my channel, give this video a thumbs up, I would really appreciate it. And follow me on my Instagram account, which is the same as my YouTube account, Black and Gold Style. Have a great day, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!